just arrived at the spot and oh, is that a Supra? God damn! For those of you who don't know, this thing weighs like 45 pounds. All right, I think we're ready to go. But guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's kind of been a minute since I've really kind of put my face in front of a camera. Some of you kind of know this. I got the new GoPro, which is what you guys are watching this on right now. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a lot of behind the scenes stuff with Jared and Amanda, aka We Ride, their giveaway Supra. So we're on the way to the location right now to go get that filmed, and I'm gonna bring you guys along for the process on how I kind of like break down this sort of video. Also, by the time you guys are watching this, the full cinematic piece to that video will be out. I'll put a link in the description. You guys should go check that out. I've also got my good friend here, Jay, who is gonna be helping out with a lot of behind the scenes stuff. I'm excited to take you guys along for this, this little trip, and let's get after it. All right, sick. Just arrived at the spot and oh, is that a Supra? So guys, we just rocked up to the Walgreens here and there's just a Supra chilling here. Jared, when did you get such a clean whip, man? But wait, hold up. Do you mean to tell me that one of these guys watching could potentially win this Supra?
All you have to do is go onto our website, weride.com, buy an apparel package, or if you need a car part, performance part, anything like that, that can qualify too.
Let's go. You guys can also win this 660 horsepower Mark IV Supra. Could be yours sitting in your driveway, in your garage, in your shop, doing whatever the heck you want to it. All right guys, so the Supra is looking absolutely amazing. Jared's just kind of getting it wiped off right now. First and foremost, we have a really cool backdrop just back over here with this nice red brick building. We're gonna grab a few shots of it sitting in a nice parked up spot. After we do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna somehow transition him sitting still to getting into the car to him rolling down the road. So that's where we will be mounted up, actually just right over here. It's got this really cool feature with this ginormous open end compartment area. This is where I'll be sitting, you know, doing all that other stuff. I think it's gonna look great and it's gonna be awesome. Oh, I don't know if you guys have ever put on a GoPro chest mount. It kind of sucks. All right, so now we got you guys chucked onto the chest mount. So first things first, bring this bag over here and grab our 45-pound case, Pelican case. Perfect, now we can get started. We're gonna grab this guy right here. This is actually gonna be our handle setup, like so. And then our bottom end with our feet. So after we've got all this stuff taken out of the bag, we're gonna start getting set up. Gotta make sure it's tight. You don't want it spinning around. Perfect. Okay, so now this is gonna be our bottom end. Tighten up the top end. Perfect. Now what we'll do is we're gonna take out the gimbal. For any of you guys wondering, this is the DJI Ronin M. It's a fantastic gimbal for a lot of professional work. Perfect. Now we're gonna flip this around. Now we're gonna grab our battery, lock it in, and then tighten those down so the battery doesn't come flying off. All right. Now opening up the bag, here's our camera, Sony a6500, Sigma MC11, Sigma 18 to 35-1.8. Okay, now we're gonna shut that clip. That'll lock it in. Beautiful. So now that is ready to pretty much be turned on. We're gonna take a look, just make sure it's running okay. See, just like that. All right, looking great. So here's the top handle. Mounts the gimbal like this. And that is also where we mount our monitor. All right, that's solid, that's on there. And we're going to grab our monitor, the battery for the monitor, and we're gonna screw that on. Now we're gonna take our HDMI cable, plug it in. You know, we're just gonna wrap it around the handle a few times. Now put this back around, and then we're gonna basically take this right here, which was holding the HDMI cable together, and we are going to nicely and neatly kind of bind these two together. So now the HDMI is set up, and then we're gonna plug our HDMI cable into there. We are done. Setup is ready. All right, Jared, I think we're ready. Oh, yeah, see, don't want to do that. All right. I mean, it got only like 10 pounds lighter, but it's still heavy, jeez. Okay. Oh, all right. So I was just telling Jared to back into actually this spot right here. Perfectly shaded, it looks great. Yep, I call that perfect. All right, we're gonna take you guys off the chest mount and we're gonna have Jay help out with some of the filming. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off in this little backed in spot right here. Camera's turned on, ready to go. We're gonna get a few different angles and a few different shots, just some very subtle ones. So yeah, let's get it going. Shokan visuals in his natural habitat. All right, we're ready for Jared now. This little curb right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you start from there.
Okay.
We're gonna do 2 different takes where I'll be in front of you,
okay,
walking towards you as you walk past me. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna say stop. You'll stop right where you're at, and then we'll continue the shot, but from behind. And action. Just take it slow at the start.
Okay.
And action. So to connect this shot here, what we're doing is I'm gonna be static holding the shot while Jared walks from the front wheel up to the door. He's gonna open the door, hop in, and then we're gonna get the sounds of the start or the car starting. All right, Jared, whenever you're ready. Perfect, awesome. I'm gonna have you start the car, I'll let you know. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, dope. What I'm gonna have you do is we'll have you start the car, okay, and then do the little shift knob wiggle.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, action. Oh, dude, that shot was dirty. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back over to back into the Supra where I finished the shot of Jared getting into the car. We're gonna transition that towards the end of him now ripping off down this way. We're gonna transition it into the rolling.
How hard do you want me to take off?
How hard do you want?
I don't know, I've never launched this one.
Oh boy, all right. 3, 2, 1, action. Yup, I'll take it. That was sick. All right, guys, so we just wrapped up that short little sequence with the Supra in that spot. Now we're gonna transition it to the rolling shots along this road out here. Also, I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I get set up in the back compartment right here. It's gonna be freaking sick. I cannot wait. So this right here, gonna hook in right there. Hook that in right there. So this right here is going to keep the tailgate open, so that way it doesn't come crashing down on my head when Jay is going VTEC mode in the Honda Ridgeline. This bad boy right here, there's a hook here and a hook here that I wrap myself around, you know, just for safety purposes. Do not try this at home, please.
OSHA
please do
approved.
not. Yes, this is OSHA approved. But yeah, we're going to mount you up to right here. We're going to get this going. All right, so what we're going to do for our first shot is I'm going to have Jared fall back a little bit, and I'm gonna have him rush up real fast to the tailgate just for that opening rolling shot. And I'm gonna have you hang back a little bit and I'm gonna give you a wave. I'm gonna have you rush up to the tailgate really fast. Have you hang back and rush past by me. I'm gonna give you a wave. out. My knees are killing me, but these shots are too good. All right, so that finishes up our rolling shots. Now what we're gonna do is we actually just so conveniently happen to roll past this really cool school zone over here. So I think what I'm gonna do is run across the street and we're gonna grab our statics there and finish that up. After that's all done, we're gonna get into the audio side of things where I break out my audio equipment and start getting like multiple pieces and like sample parts of audio, the exhaust, the wastegate, all that cool stuff. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited about this video. Those rolling shots look so good. Oh my goodness. But yeah, no, I'm gonna throw you guys on the chest mount. We're gonna hop over there. Okay, chest mount done. Dope, all right. Oh yeah, dude, this will be killer. Far out. Okay, if there's a way to flip around up there, go and flip around and come back down. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna have you stay right there. I'm gonna have you roll down the road, and then the lane that you're in there, you're gonna turn this way and then angle out in the middle of the road.
Sounds good.
I'll give you a wave. So we got a lot of our wide shots, but I'm gonna go even wider. I'm gonna go up above here. Classic wheel shot. All right, so I know it's getting really dark outside. We're just wrapping up the final shot. Jared, who's in the car there, is going to turn on the car, flip on the running lights. He's gonna go down to the light and then make a left hand turn, which is gonna be awesome. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, action. There we go. Awesome. Race car problems, just in case anybody who's watching this who's never driven a really slammed car before. If you go in at an angle, you will two wheel, so like one of your rear wheels will come up off the ground and your car will struggle. It sometimes even gets stuck too. And yeah, that becomes an issue. he just did that, so that was actually kind of funny, not even gonna lie. But glad we got it off two wheel, because that would have sucked. We'd have been sitting there trying to bounce the Supra up and down to try and get it to go. Oh. All right, camera gear's all packed up. Just literally throw it in the truck. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the channel and watching this video. I had an absolute blast, and it was such an honor to have the opportunity to shoot a full-length feature of WeRide's giveaway Supra before they give it away to the next owner. I just had such a fun time filming just everything in general and recording all the audio and now piecing together such an awesome video. And I'm really excited I got to bring you guys along on the new GoPro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you drop a like subscribe down below. And also, if you'd be ever so kind to give me your honest opinion and feedback on what you guys think of these behind the scenes videos. If we get enough traction, we get enough positive feedback from this, we might be doing this with just about everything that I film, which is cars across the board. If you guys like seeing cool cars, you like seeing how the whole process works on my end, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that way you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Also, while we're here, let me take the opportunity to plug my Instagram and my TikTok. If you guys are not following me on either of those, make sure you go do that really quick so that way you can be updated whenever we drop a new video on the channel. And of course, make sure you guys go follow We Ride. They're giving away a freaking Supra. You guys gotta go check that out right now. Their link will be down in the description. Make sure you guys go check them out. And if you guys got a little bit of extra change, laying around, you guys can even go onto their website, check out some of their merchandise, and potentially get entered to win their dream car giveaway. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is Shokan Visuals. Peace and out.